Well, good morning, Bella. Good morning. How are you today? Did you take good care of everybody all night? You always do. You always do. The neighbors leave bags with snacks on the front gate, so that's what she's sniffing to see if anything's good for her. My first order of business is to take the smashed boiled eggs to my peas. And then I have some peaches, sliced up actually peaches. There's Alex. Good morning, sweet boy. And alley-oops. There's alley-oops. How is my babies? Good morning. Good morning. They want this egg. I'm going to give this to the peas because they love the extra protein. Good morning, babies. Good morning. You helping me, Allie? Okay, get back now. All right. There you guys go. Give them some peaches. Here, guys. There you go, guys. Delicious. They're just making sure the dogs aren't coming in before they start enjoying their food I just sent them. Hi, babies. Alex, you're doing so good, buddy. He is doing amazing. I think this next coming week, like Tuesday, is I have peaches on my hand, is his 5th week here. And he's taller, he's holding himself erect, his face is relaxed, he's not worried about being abused every second. I feel so happy for him. Hi, babies. You having some food? Get your egg. Get your egg. All right, next thing I'll do is get these geese out of here and take them in the pasture this morning. Come on, guys. Here we go. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. I love the way they follow me to the pasture. They love coming over here. Come on, babies. There we go, babies. Come on. There we go. Come on. And I'll leave them with some peaches too. Come on, Alex. Come on, baby. I'm gonna feed you. Come on, buddy. Alex. Alex. Come on, mister. Come on, buddy. Come on, Alex. Come on, buddy. Alex, come here. Good boy. Leave Allie over here because she won't let Alex eat his food. And I need to feed him still a few times a day at least. Obviously, he's just barely a year old or so. Even though we have no official age on him, you can tell he's a puppy. And he's growing like crazy since he started getting fed. Not just filling out, but actually growing. So he still eats a couple, 2-3 times a day, plus snacks. Come on, buddy. He wants me to, he's like, where's my food? Come on, Alex. Good boy. Good boy, Alex. Come on, buddy. He's looking disappointed because he doesn't realize I'm coming over here to get his food. Okay, now we're gonna go get the mouths out over here. You guys ready to get up? Good morning. Good morning. How are you? Let's get him. Hi. Good morning. Mister, no jumping. Go back over here and get the does. I could open them from inside, but they've gotten into the habit of coming back around over here, so I'm just going to leave it that way. Come on, guys. I'm coming. There we go. Oh, you guys dumped your water out. I'm sorry. Good morning, you three. How are you? Good morning. Hi, love. You always love a love, don't you? Come on, let's go. Let's go. Oh, my goodness. What do I have, Bristol? What am I having in my bag, huh, Bliss? Hold on, I'll get you something. Here's Alex. Come on, buddy. I'm gonna feed you. So this is the new facade that Farmer Bob built for the Cochin's run and coop. Cause see, the big birds have the saloon and the blacksmith shop. And so he made that the bank, and the goats live in the jail, and the geese live in the bathhouse, and the peacocks live in the hotel. So anyway, he made it look a little bit, actually a lot cuter. So I love it. And Alex got fed. He's eating his first meal of the day. Good job, buddy. The goats get some scratch with sunflower seeds. The geese are in the pasture. And I'm going in to get a drink because I just finished walking 3 miles.